Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I have something really interesting for you guys and I'm really excited to check out as well. So today we're actually checking out something sent over by Akko. So this is the new Akko ASA profile clear keycaps. So these are PC with printed characters on top. So these are really interesting. They are one of the newer keycaps that Akko is making. So they do come in two variants, the black and white, and today we are checking out the white variant because the black one is currently out of stock. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and a huge thank you to Akko for sending this over. Let's get this video started. So this right here is the front of the box of the new keycap set. As we can see, it is translucent look and it looks really awesome right here. So it is from Akko, and then of course it is ASA profile and it is the clear one. So it's printed on PC material with printed characters. So again, it's going to be made from PC, not PBT or ABS. It's PC polycarbonate material, and then it looks pretty nice. So all around the box, it just says Akko branding, white version. So it does come with the black version, but they sent over the white one for me to check out. Let's just unbox it now. So I just unboxed everything and everything looks pretty good right now. I'm just going to show you guys this. So Akko does include one of their keycap pullers in the box, which is really nice. Now let's take a closer look at the keycaps themselves. So they come of course in this packaging right here. This is some new packaging and it is PC material and it is printed on top. Honestly, they feel pretty weird in my opinion. First time feeling this PC kind of keycaps, but honestly with all of them provided right here, they are looking pretty good right now. Let me just show you guys all of the keycaps that are included, and I'm going to show you guys a close-up of all of the keys later. So I can see from the keycaps provided, Akko actually went all out with all of like these artisans or this special print. Honestly, they look really cute and I'm really excited to see how they look like with the RGB on. So let me just take one and show you guys. So this is the front of one of the keycaps. Honestly, the print is pretty nice. You can feel it. So it is printed on the top and it is translucent, as you guys can see. This is what the back looks like. So it is ASA profile and I think it looks pretty interesting. So this is what the spacebar looks like. Again, it is translucent and you can see through the back of it. And then this is how it looks like. Overall, I'm really liking the look of this and they feel pretty solid in my opinion. Really interested to see how they actually sound out compared to the normal Akko ones. For just some comparison, I took out my PBT double shot keycaps right here. So these are double shot ASA profile PBT keycaps from Akko. So this is the black and white and this is the white and black version. So this is what it looks like compared to the PC printed one. So it is translucent and everything and looks pretty cool. I would say that the thickness is almost the same and they look really sharp as well. The print, of course, this will be shinier because it is a glossier plastic. So I think I'm going to put this onto my RK100 and show you guys how the PBT keycaps sound like and how these PC keycaps will sound like. So for this test, I'll be using my RK100, which is already modded. It is tape modded, and for the switches, they are just some KTT Mint Switches which have been lubed. So this is what the keyboard looks like with the new keycaps in. Honestly, they look pretty nice in my opinion. I'm really digging this kind of translucent look, especially with the RGB on. They look so nice. So overall, I really think that these new keycaps right here from Akko are really definitely something really interesting, and honestly I'm liking what they are doing. The transparent white version here looks really good to me, but honestly I would really like to try out the black one as well. So far my experience using this, that it does sound a little bit more poppier in my opinion. It sounds a little bit more open and sounds a little bit sharper than the normal double shot PBT. Honestly, I'm really liking how it looks, and the gloss for me is quite okay, and this is definitely something interesting to use on your keyboards. So again, a huge thank you to Akko for sending this over, but definitely I'm really liking how these look and sound. So that was basically it for this video. Honestly, I have to pass the question to you guys. Do you guys think that these new keycaps or this new concept of keycaps from Akko are good or bad? Honestly, I like how they look and sound. Honestly, I'm really excited to get to try this out, and they look really awesome. You cannot deny that. So if you're an RGB lover, definitely get these, and they have the, again, smoke black variant, which I really like as well. So just get any that will fit your keyboard needs. And honestly, I think that it is a good part from Akko for going and venturing into these kind of markets. So again, I pass it to you. Do you guys like this new kind of keycaps from Akko, and will you be getting them? So that is basically it for this video, guys. Again, a huge thank you to Akko for sending this over. Links will be down in the description if you guys are interested. So leave a like if you like this video, dislike this video if you didn't like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have more keyboard content coming really soon. As always, thanks for watching. Goodbye, guys.